Hey, Lovelace. Please ignore the noise. Steve is having a party by himself. He's just got a new stereo. So I'm leaving him to it, but hopefully it's not too distracting. Okay, right. I just wanted to pop on for a couple of minutes because this is just absolutely game changer, mind blowing for members of Power AI Vortex membership workflows. Our workflows have just completely changed. So before, it was a bit clunky in terms of how we found our agents because there's so many of them. Our team is growing so quickly. I'm producing them so quickly that even I'm like, what does that one do? And especially when you get to my age, 55, you're a bit like, don't remember very much. Um, so anyway, so at the weekend, I created us like a project manager to help us to manage the identification of which agent is going to be best to fulfill the task, to do the job. And actually, it's much better. It was quite tricky to create, I have to say. I don't know, maybe it's because I was just creating my own agent for a change and not creating everybody else's. Quite possibly. You know what it is like when you do your own things, things often can't see the wood for the trees. Okay, right. This is nuts, 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 right? Okay. So Celestine has been created with all of the agent knowledge in the background. So it's got all of our agents in it, all 33 of them. It knows exactly what all of those agents do. So I have given it the data that it needs to pull from to actually help you to identify which are going to be the best agents for the job. So what's going to happen is all you need to do is just say, now I'm just showing you this here, but what I would encourage you to do is pull it into Lucas, the CEO, and then follow the workflow with inside Lucas. So you've got Lucas open for the week. And then, unless you want to do it completely separately, but I think when it comes to evaluating your week and seeing what you've worked on and seeing where you're saving time and money and getting additional insights into your personality, your behavior for you to help you to grow the business, I would do it in Lucas. So you can pull her into Lucas and then ask the question. So I'm just about to start to create an affiliate marketing pack. So what agents would I need to use to create an affiliate marketing plan? I'm just going to join in with Steve. This is so awesome. It's better than I expected. I was expecting it just to say, oh, this agent would be really good to use. But actually, what it does really nicely is it gives you a workflow of agents, which is really cool. So Buzz, Anne, Sorrel, Vista, Sean, Sam. Now, Buzz is spot on because Buzz is about big picture marketing. Really cool. Design marketing strategy, promotional content, does do, specializes in transforming promotional material. Oh God, yeah, into engaging social media content. So basically, I've actually already written the copy for the webinar that I'm doing as the first part of the affiliate step, first part or the end part. So what I could do is I could pop that in here and then say, Anne, turn that into the marketing copy for social media. Because Anne is very specific in the way that she creates the copy, very formulaic, very different to anything else. So it will actually give the basic details, the date, the time, the link. Yeah, perfect. Okay, what else have we got? Need high converting ads to support your affiliate campaign. Okay, video to create dynamic video showcasing how I use that. Sean, probably, okay. Okay, I see where it's coming from here. So when we do the affiliate campaign and I've got people marketing sprints and they are sharing and they've tagged me in and I can see the posts and I can see what they've written. What I can do is I can use Sean, pop their copy in, and then Sean will draft a response and then I can tweak it and then I can send it back out. Cool, cool. I like the thinking of this. Sam, okay, to engage with affiliates on platforms like LinkedIn. Okay, what's the difference? Creating for these are actually very similar. Sean is generally when someone leaves a testimonial, you pop the testimonial in and then it will do a really nice response to that person, which is really cool. So probably Sam would be better actually. Engage with affiliates, creating thoughtful responses, building community engagement. So, no, definitely not. Okay, ties affiliate certification. No, it's not. But look at that. It's thought about a next step that you could use in terms of, and if you have if you have created a certification course, it's actually thinking about the affiliates that can help you market the affiliate marketing course. That's just insane. So what I would do in Lucas now is I'd have a think about where I am in the journey, and then I'd pull the agent in Lucas, and then I'd start the process of creating the affiliate pack inside of Lucas. Or you can do what we've done here, is a separate thread, and then pull in the agents for this specific piece of work it is that you want to complete. So this is how you use our new, I'm going to say project management, workflow and project management, which is I just didn't expect it to do this. So this is really, really cool, really cool. You can keep asking questions until you're ready to go, until you're ready to start creating. Yeah, mind blowing, mind blowing. So it's in beta at the moment because there's still some things I want to do to play with. Not all the agents are in there at the moment. I discovered that you can only upload 20 documents at a time into creating an agent. So I need to group some agents and then re-upload the documents. But I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know your thoughts. Are you using it? I think you will use it because this is like Lucas. These two are the um, are the ones that you'll probably use the most. I know we have the agents that we all fall in love with and we use the most, but the two, Lucas, our new project manager, is the combination of the two of them is going to work really well because obviously Lucas is big picture. You can set the scene with Lucas, is what I would do for the beginning of the week. So you've got context, you know the direction you're heading in. And then bringing your project manager to help you manage the process it is that you're working on. Yeah, I'm super proud of myself creating this one. It is, I think this is going to be one of my favorites, and it's because because the agents have such, because they're so good and they're so broad, I often forget I don't know how to use them to their full advantage. And I think all of us are still discovering how we can use them to our full advantage. So it's not just you, it's also me as well, because they are really, really cool, really, really good. And I got some feedback yesterday, which put a tear in my eye, Bernie. So Bernie's increased her business by 30% since joining the Vortex, which is really cool. And Marina she's saving herself £1,000 a week by actually using her AI dream team within inside the Vortex as well. So that's just, yeah, it's mind blowing. It's good to hear other people's results rather than just mine all the time because, yeah, it's much more impressive when a client does it rather than when I do it. So, love and leave you. Got any questions? Leave below. And yeah, I will speak to you all, see you all soon. Oh, how do I turn off? Okay.